right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their nut milk maker. Yes, you can turn nuts into milk with this device. So just company logo on the top with a nice handle, nothing on the bottom. The side just has some specs, 600 milliliters, etc. Same picture on the front and the back basically, and this side. Oh wow, so yeah, the same. Okay, let's take a look at it and see what comes inside of this. Let's open it up. All right, so get in here. Oh, looks like this is all just one thing. So we'll take this out, and then there's this, and instruction guides, and that's it for the box. So we have a recipe book. That's pretty interesting. Never seen that come with something, but I like it. And then this is the actual automatic nut milk maker guide. And then here we have a few tools, it looks like. Yeah, these 3 tools are included. Helpful little items for you. And then this is the nut maker. So it looks like it plugs in with like a standard computer power cable. So you just plug that in there and run it to your wall outlet, and then boil, keep warm, self-clean, delay start, menu button. Got a nice little timer here. And then there we go. There's our power cable. So it included that, even a little cup for measuring. There's your power cable you'll need to plug it in. Wow, look at that little blade down in there. Very nice. So minimum and maximum there. Tells you how to fill it up. Got a nice handle. Really good product here. The lid just, goes right on, and then once you've made it, you can just pour it right out of here. So that'll do it for this nut milk maker. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Create this unboxing video for you, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.